Hey everyone, I am Javed from MZ Creative Studio and today I am going to install WPForms plugin. So let's get started.
If you go to the plugins and click add new and search the WP Forms, the first result is WP Forms contact forms 3. At the time of recording, it is 3+ million active installs. Okay, so WP Forms is not just simple contact forms. It comes with a lot of features like drag drop, page builder, form builder, pre-built form templates, design customization, so you can design any kind of form. It makes life easy to integrate the payments like Stripe, PayPal, and even you can create a subscription form and various other polls and different surveys. So WP Forms cover all the basics and the advanced features. And the best thing about WP Forms is it is super fast and fully responsive. Now let's talk about the versions. It comes with a free version and the paid version. The free version is available on WordPress.org like it showed you. You can install the free one, play around, and if you need the more advanced features, then I appreciate you to upgrade the plugin to the Pro version so you can get most out of it. I will include the Pro version link in description below. So let's start installing the plugin. I already have the Pro version downloaded in my computer. Upload the plugin button, choose file, and it is in the downloads. Open it and click the install now button. Now click the activate plugin. Okay, create your first form here. Click this button, and also you have various other options there. In the Pro version, you have different add-ons like the payment integrations, marketing subscriptions like MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, and various other marketing softwares. Spam protection, entry management, and different form templates are available. So you can check these features from WP Forms plugin site or click the see all features button. So let's create the first form. Okay, now you have different options here: blank form, contact form, request a quote form, newsletter sign up, billing order form, donation form, and suggestion forms. These are the templates to get started with the form building, and now I'm going to start with a simple contact form. Click it. Okay, it provides the basic form layout. You can play around. These are the standard fields available in free version. If you upgrade your plugin to Pro, then you have the fancy fields like the phone, address, date, time, and various other fields. Also, you can accept the payment and integrate the payment methods here in this section. So let's stick with the standard form fields. If you want to customize any field, layout or styling, click on it, and the field options available here like the formatting, Label formatting, I want to change it to simple, then only the name field. If you change first name, last name, then you have the options. We have the advanced options. Field size, small, medium or large. Also you can hide the label and the sub labels. If you want to customize with the CSS, or you need an extra class into the form field, you can add your classes here. And also there are conditionals tab. Enable conditional logic. Show this field if something match with like the email is something, or you can play around with these conditional fields according to your need. Okay, once you are happy with the form layout, then we move to the settings panel. Here you can change the form name, form description, form class, and submit button text. Let's change it to sent. And the various other options are available. Enable Ajax form submissions, dynamic field population, and different options are available. Notifications. Once the form is submitted, a notification is sent to the admin. You can play around with these fields. It's a pretty straightforward. And confirmation. This is the message once the form is submitted. Currently it is thanks for contacting us, we'll be in touch with you shortly. You can change it according to your needs. Once you are happy with this, save the form. Also these fields are disabled at the moment because these are related to the forms like conversational forms, survey or polls, form pages, form locker, and different other options. So we choose the simple contact form, so that's why we have these three options are available. So next move to the marketing tab, and here are the options to integrate different marketing softwares like MailChimp, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, Constant Contact, and you need to connect these forms into with the WPForms plugin. We'll take a look in this section in the next video. So move to the next tab, payments. You can integrate the payment methods here to accept the payments using WPForms plugin. The PayPal and Stripe payments are available at the moment. We are not going to do that. Maybe in the other video we'll do that. So I am happy with this form, and let's save the form. Click Embed button to generate the embed code. Copy it and paste it into the form, into the page or sidebar. Okay, let's close it. And the contact page, I want to add this form. Paste the shortcode here. Save the page or update, and let's preview it. And there we go. We have a simple contact form. So you can see it is really simple and super easy to integrate a form with a lot of options there. So I hope you enjoy this video. Take care. Bye.